My name's Cody Caldwell. I'm part of Team Toyota. I play wheelchair rugby, and I've been on Team Canada for the past 5 years. Driving was part of my life since I was 16. So to get my car back, have it fitted with hand controls and everything I need to drive gives you another part of your independence back.
Every day as an able-bodied person, you will drive past multiple people using equipment, driving aids, and you would never know.
There's so many products out there that are available to people that experience a disability that can make and sort of enhance their life again and get their mobility back.
So this company was started by Keith. Keith's a C5, C6 quadriplegic. When he was learning to drive, he found the hand controls that were on the market at that particular time quite tiring. So he brought his own hand control to the market, to the industry.
Just a misconception with a lot of people that we need an accessible van, where that's not true, especially with the technology now. For my car, it looks like a joystick that I use with one hand. Once you can get it back, driving on your own and the independence, it's kind of a weight off your shoulders in a way. Being part of Team Toyota obviously it's a huge honor when you can tie your name to any company, let alone a national and international brand like Toyota, who has done so much to promote and help support not only Olympic athletes but Paralympic athletes. And I'm just honored to be part of the program.